say about 2 or 3 tablespoons. So we have some nice fresh garlic here. Chopped garlic. When the pan gets a little bit warm, you don't want the pan to be too hot because then you'll blaze out the garlic and burn it up and it'll be a mess.
Yeah, and then it gets bitter.
Right. So we're gonna go garlic. And I like to put a little bit of salt and pepper in right now. I know it's crazy, but it does. It just makes the garlic
more mellow, maybe.
So now we're gonna go with those the tomatoes that we.
So good.
I love garlic. I really do.
How could you not?
Keep, shake it around. Another little trick is when it starts to brown, I tilt the pan, right? So there's less surface area. It's almost like you're frying the garlic.
Okay.
But if you keep it flat, it can be unevenly cooking. It's too hot. So kind of gather everything down towards the bottom, and it'll get nice and perfectly golden brown, nice consistent, nice even, and wonderfulness. So let's dump those tomatoes in.
That's a great tip.